It is possible to display an image for a specific range of gray levels. For example, let me display the first image for only grayscale between 100 and 160. So figure I am show I. You can mention the range of gray levels here between 100 and 160 only. So as you can see, the gray levels less than 100 will be converted to the 0, and the grayscale more than 160 are displayed as white. Let me display the original one also. So any pixel which its intensity level is greater than 160 convert to 255 or white, and those pixels whose intensity are less than 100 converts to black. Image processing researchers often need to inspect the content of an image more closely. Matlab provides a special function for this purpose, imtool. Let me show you in an example. This function provides all the image display capabilities like imshow. Also, it gives us access to other tools for navigating and exploring images, such as the pixel region tool, image information tool, and adjust contrast tool. Let's check it together. For example, pixel region. As you can see, the content of one part of the image, the intensity values of the pixels here, and if I move this part to any place, you can see the pixel values in the right side. Also, I can change the size of the region. Now I only check 3 by 5 pixels in each part. As you can see, in this part the pixel intensity are larger because they are brighter part of the image. Or here we have pixels with intensity near 128, and in the dark part we have a smaller value for the intensities. Let me do the same thing for a colorful image. As you can see, for each pixel we have 3 values: red value, green, and blue. Here, as you can see, the red intensity is greater than the green and blue. Or in the purple part, approximately R and G are the same, because purple color is the combination of red and blue. Or in the green part, the value of the green is greater than the others. Or in the white, all of the R, G, and B values are large. in fact the pure white color is R equal 255, and also B and G should be 255, but this is not pure white. Here, as you can see, both all of the RGB are more than 200. Okay, another essential function that we need is writing the resulting image onto a file. For this purpose, image processing toolbox has a built-in function imwrite in order to write the contents of an image in one of the most popular graphic file formats. If the output file format uses lossy compression like JPEG, imwrite allows you to specify the quality parameters also. So by this way you can have a trade-off between the quality and the file size. Let me show you in an example. Let's read the Pepper's image again. The original image is PNG. I want to store it with JPEG format, which is a compressed format for image, and for this purpose I use imwrite. Let me change the current folder. I have a test folder here. Let me okay. I stored the Pepper PNG as a JPEG. I name it Pepper 75.jpg as a default. The quality of the JPEG will be considered as 75. As you can see, Pepper 75.jpg is stored in the current folder. If you want to change the quality, for example, it can be mentioned quality 5, and also another better quality or larger size 95. Okay, now I want to display all of them in one figures. For this purpose you can use subplot. Subplot, as you can see, has 3 parameters: the number of rows and columns. So one figure will be split into m rows and columns, and then we can select one of them. I want to display it in 2 by 2, and they are numbered from the left corner. So the first cell is 1, the next one is 2, the first one in the second row is 3, and the last one is 4. So subplot 2 2 and select the 1, and here I am show the original image I. As you can see, I is displayed here. The second one will be displayed in this part, third one and fourth one. Now again you should write subplot, and this time select the cell number 2 and display the other image, but I didn't load them yet. Let me first load them. I underline JPEG is equal imread Pep 75.jpg. Also I05 and I95. I should read all of them in order to display them. Now subplot. In the second one I want to display I underline JPEG. As you can see, the second image is displayed here. In the third one I05 and in the fourth one I95. So all of them are displayed now here. As you can see, this is the low resolution or worse quality, a smaller size. This is the better quality or larger size image, and this is the default JPEG. So if you compare them, you can see that there are a lot of more details are here, and this is the original PNG. You can zoom it in order to see some part better. As you can see, the quality of this image is very low.